My name is Mrs. Chinyere Ikenna.
Hi, my name is Soma Ikenna.
I'm here to give God all the glory for making me to locate this hospital. It all started on 10th of September when my daughter got back from nursing and she complained of sore throat. So we went to treat malaria and typhoid. The next day after the treatment, she started vomiting. We took her to the hospital where she admitted for 8 days. She was discharged. Even as she was discharged, she was still vomiting. They discharged us and told us that with time it will improve. Before we know it, the worst happened. She started having abnormal sensation on the head, difficult in swallowing and numbness. For like 1 week while we were there, she was speaking through her nose. At the point she stopped walking, and doctor that has the fear of God, she called me and told me that I am going to refer you to Regions Healthcare at Imo State. You will get the result. So that was how we came here.
I want to say a very big thank you to Regions Healthcare for the exceptional service and consideration. When I came to Regions Healthcare, within the space of 2 days, I started seeing improvement. At least I was able to move my body, and now I feel better, and I can now do the things I couldn't do before. Throughout my stay here, I felt at home. I want to say very thank you. I'm so grateful.
The progress was massive. I couldn't believe my eye. And then I came, I saw my daughter. My daughter she started talking, the hand that she could not raise, she started raising it. I can't believe this until she stood up and I watched her walk like 2 to 3 steps. I don't know how to thank God and to thank the doctors of this hospital. You guys are amazing.
Miss Soma came to us with serious weakness affecting all 4 limbs. She could barely speak or swallow. Well, because of her worsening condition, when she presented to us, we carried out brain and spine MRIs. It showed abnormalities in part of the brain that controls the movement, the speech, and swallowing, specifically what we call the medulla. Based on our story, the timeline, and the scan results, we made a working diagnosis of inflammation in the medulla, basically what we call a rhomboencephalitis, possibly triggered by a viral infection and autoimmune disorder. Within 2 days, the progress was remarkable. It was like she recovered instantaneously. Improved speech, improvements in our walking. Right, just like Miss Soma, we have treated many people who arrived paralyzed or in critical conditions. And today, they are walking, talking, and thriving. Here at Regions Healthcare, evidence-based care is not just what we practice, it's who we are. If you or someone you love is facing a similar challenge, please do not give up. We are here to help, and you can trust that recovery is possible. It's Regions Healthcare.